Welcome to D.Buzz, your microblog built on the Hive blockchain. Today, we're going to look at another D.Buzz feature. This is how to embed Vimeo videos into a buzz on D.Buzz. First step, head over to Vimeo and find a video you enjoy. In this case, I found a nice video on sailing in the Sea of Cortez, a beautiful place to go on an adventure. Here, there are several ways we can copy the URL and bring it back to D.Buzz. First, I'm going to go up to the URL bar and select it all, hit Ctrl+C, and then come back to D.Buzz. While back on the main platform, I'm going to come down and create a new buzz. And when that buzz window comes up, I'm going to hit Ctrl+V and paste in the URL for the Vimeo video. Down below, you'll see it gets embedded natively, and you can hit the play button and watch it inside D.Buzz. Awesome. Let's remove that and look at the other way to get the URL from Vimeo. Back on Vimeo, if you can scroll down a little bit, you can also see a button that says Share. By clicking the Share button, you'll be brought up with a bunch of different options where you can copy the link from here as well. This is one way to do it. Please note that the time feature does not work, so we cannot start the video at a specific time. However, you can copy the whole URL from here again by hitting Ctrl or Apple+C, going back to D.Buzz and hitting Ctrl+V or Apple+v. Here you'll see the window once again generate down below. Add your tags, add your headline, and post that video today. Thanks a lot for joining us in this quick overview of the Vimeo embed feature. Should you have any questions, reach out to us on Discord or leave a comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching, and Carpe Diem.